This is Rakesh Misra present before you with a topic in English literature, the play Tempest. In continuation of Act 1, Scene 1 explanation, we are going to deal with the statement of Gonzalo, the minister of King Alonso. Earlier you read already, there was a hot conversation going on. It was the time when very crucial condition is going to be on account of the storm and the tempest. When all the royal passengers' life in danger, at that particular moment there is entry of Gonzalo, Sebastian, Antony. Boatswain, the officer of the ship, is very eccentric and short-tempered type of person. That's why he is making hot talk to the minister of the king Alonso, that is Gonzalo. First of all, boatswain, the officer of the ship, is saying that you, Gonzalo, you call yourself the minister. Can you order to the wind? Can you order to sea waves? Can you reduce the level and force of the tempest? If can't, then just give thanks to me because still you are alive. It would better just go in your cabin. So now this is too much for a minister because boatswain is only officer of ship, but Gonzalo is minister of the king Alonso. See the statement of Gonzalo, very important part. I have great comfort from this fellow. Me think he had no drowning mark upon him. So now first of all, Gonzalo is making very sarcastic remark just by saying that I think there is no drowning mark written in the palm of the boatswain. Means he will not be died on account of drowning in the sea. He'll be hanged. Suppose he is going to be hanged, then definitely all of them would be safe. So this is why if boatswain is going to be hanged on account of the counsel would be given by Gonzalo to king because of disrespect and insolent of conversation and communication to the minister of the king. See the statement. I have great comfort from this fellow. Me think he had no drowning mark upon him. His complexion is perfect gallows. Perfect gallows means he'll be killed by gallows. Gallows means hanging, means the rope in order to make him hang. Stand fast, good fate. Good fate here in oh good fate. To his hanging means hanging of boatswain. Make the rope of his destiny our cable. Now further, Gonzalo is saying that oh fate, oh destiny, do one thing favor for me, that is, may this person means boatswain should be die of gallowing, die of hanging, not by drowning in the sea. For our own doth little advantage. Own doth little advantage means there is no advantage. When there is no advantage, if this person will get die on account of drowning in the sea. Suppose boatswain will get die on account of drowning in the sea, it means nobody will be safe, everyone will be die on account of drowning in the sea. This is why Gonzalo is saying that, oh fate be favorable to me, and it would be only advantage to us if this person, means boatswain, will be died by gallowing, by hanging. If he not born to be hanged, our case is miserable. Suppose the boatswain is not going to get die on account of hanging, definitely the case of Gonzalo and others would be very miserable and tough. So who is giving the remark? Gonzalo. To whom? Boatswain. What he is saying? He is saying that I can see by reading the palm of this officer that he'll get die not by drowning in the sea but by hanging, but by galloping. It would be only advantageous to them because suppose the boatswain will get die by drowning, means nobody will be left. Suppose not dying by drowning, then everyone would be safe because boatsman will try on best in order to bring the ship near the sea bank, then everyone will be safe. Re-enter boatswain. Boatswain. Down with the topmost, yell, lower, lower. Bring her to try with main course. Now in the given passage, you'll find that boatswain is giving instruction to the mariners. Actually, captain is giving order to boatswain, boatswain is giving to mariner. Ultimate motive of boatswain along with mariners and captain to save the life of everyone whomsoever in the ship. Actually, they are more and more careful. They are doing their best in order to control and manage the situation because the royal passengers were sitting there, like King Olonjo, Duke of Milan, that is Antonio. So they are doing their best, but ultimately there is a problem created by nature. So that's why he was to face. So what boatswain is saying that down with the topmost, here lower, lower, means quick, just lower it, but close to the wind with the topmost. Bring her to try with the main course. It means boatswain is giving instruction to the mariners that do your best in order to bring the ship in the main course. In the main course means in the main part of the sea. Means the ship should not go into the shallow water of the sea. Suppose the ship will go directly to the shallow water of the sea, means bank of the sea, then the ship will get damaged on account of less water. It will run into the sand. So the ship will be wrecked. This is why boatsman is giving instruction that do your best in order to follow the main course. A plague upon this howling. A plague upon, may the curse fall upon this howling person. Who is howling one? Boatsman. They are louder than the weather of our office. Re-enter Sebastian, Antonio and Gonzalo. A plague upon this howling means may the curse fall upon this person because his voice is louder than even the voice created by the tempest. Re-enter Sebastian, Antonio and Gonzalo. Yet again, what do you hear? A further boatsman became furious after seeing to Antonio, Sebastian and Gonzalo. Why? Because already he requested and given instruction to them, please to be in your cabin. Let us do our work. We better understand what our duty and responsibility. We are doing it. So don't create any sort of interruption. It's only your duty to be in your cabin. You are not going to face the challenges right now on account of the tempest that has aroused. So definitely all of them, mariner along with the officer, boatswain and the captain, they are doing their best in order to rescue to this disaster what's going to happen on account of raising the storm by Prospero at the time. Okay. To re-enter Sebastian, Antonio and Gonzalo. Yet again, what do you hear? Now boatswain became very furious to Gonzalo, Sebastian and Antonio just by saying that, yet again, what do you hear? Further you have come, what do you want? Shall we give over? Do you want to die? Do you want the ship is going to be damaged and drowned? Have you a mind to sing? Means have you wish to drown? Have you mind to sing means have you wish to drown? Now further, boatswain became very furious. Why boatswain became very furious? Already he instructed Antonio, Sebastian and Gonzalo to be in your cabin. Let us do our work because we better understand what our duty and responsibility. Further they came. This is why boatswain became a man of short-tempered, very eccentric type of person. He became very furious and just by saying that, do you want to drown? Do you want that ship is going to be wrecked? Don't you want to get alive? Sebastian, a plague, oh your throat, you howling, blasphemous, incurable dog. You know Sebastian. Who is Sebastian? Sebastian is brother of King Alonso, the king of Naples. Sebastian is also evil-minded. That Sebastian, evil-minded person who is brother of Alonso, the king of Naples. It is too much. That's why Sebastian is saying that a plague, oh your throat, means he cursed whom? Boatswain. You howling blasphemous. Blasphemous means talking irrelevantly, unnecessary conversation. Incharitable dog means cruel dog. So now Sebastian being very furious just by saying that, may the curse fall upon boatswain, because he is very cruel dog, incharitable dog, cruel dog. He is blasphemous. At that time, he is talking unnecessary, irrelevantly. Boatswain, work you then means do your work. Don't make me understand. Antonio, hang cur hang. Antonio further become very furious because Antonio and Sebastian both are friends. Antonio, the Duke of Milan, usurping Duke of Milan. Actually, real Duke of Milan is Prospero, his brother. But it was Antonio's conspiracy that right now he is the Duke of Milan. So Antonio further became very furious just by saying that, hang cur hang. Cur means dog. Hang to hang. So Antonio is saying that just hang to this boatswain, a dog. You insolent noise maker. Insolent means impertinent. Insolent means impertinent, badtameez. So Antonio is saying that this boatswain is very insolent, very impertinent. He is dog and just hang him, give him the punishment.